stocking first. Do you know what that is?
No.
Tickets.
What's the third ticket for?
Tickets for me, you, and Grandma, me, Medina, to see the Asian show, the Shen Yun.
Cool.
Yeah, I got us great seats, but that's in January. And this is from my friend Joey. What is that?
Steam gift cards.
How many?
4.
How much is it worth?
80.
Whoa, look at that face. What does the card say?
It says, for you at Christmas time, it's the warm wish with a special surprise inside. Have fun.
Have fun. I'm sure you will with your theme. So open that one last. Put the other two. Stuff in there. Let's see.
Sorry.
It's okay. What's wrong, babe? You know what that is?
Yeah.
What?
Stick.
Amazon Fire Stick. And guess what? It has Alexa voice.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. So you can talk to it and it'll do whatever you want. So I think instead of searching, you could just say find this, find that.
That was the one thing I didn't like about the Roku.
Mm-hmm. And guess what? It's jailbroken. So guess what?
I'm not gonna watch them.
You can watch everything and anything HBO, movies that are on TV.
It's great. Show me how again. I forgot.
We'll set it up.
Another one? Wow. Just keep pumping these out.
Yeah, they usually come out with it every Thanksgiving. So I guess in time for Christmas. And I know, I don't know. I know you might be a little big for it, but since you've already been...
I also read it. Yeah.
Exactly, that's what I figured.
I have also just collecting.
Exactly. Turn it around, baby. Right? I figured you would still read it just because you've already been reading the whole series.
Have like a collection too.
Mm-hmm. So you're kind of invested in it, right?
Yeah.
All right. And then the last stocking gift.
Organize this stuff. Yeah, that's right.
Remember when I was asking you, Josh, red, black, and gray, or blue, or navy blue and gray?
Yeah.
And you chose red, black, and gray. It's a really cool hat. Put the plastic on. Can you put it on for me? Well, it's not going to look like that. I know you don't want to mess up your hair, but anyway. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I like it, isn't it? It's cool. It's different.
I don't really know these types of hats, but...
It's cool. Anyway, okay. Christmas gifts now.
Which ones are mine?
The ones that are wrapped in Star Wars.
Alright. Miss and Grandma?
Mm-hmm.
Start with the card that's in
No, you're gonna open that when
Huh?
when you see her.
Oh, why?
I don't know.